How to generate phone calls with Google Ads? Choose the right campaign type. Google Ads offers several campaign types, but to generate phone calls, you should choose either a call-only campaign or a search network with call extensions campaign. Set up call extensions. Call extensions allow you to add a phone number to your ads, making it easy for potential customers to call your business directly from the ad. You can set up call extensions in your Google Ads account under the Ads and Extensions tab. Use call-only ads. Call-only ads are designed specifically for generating phone calls. These ads will only show on devices capable of making phone calls, and when clicked, will immediately initiate a call to your business. Target the right audience. Make sure to target the right audience with your ads. You can target based on location, demographics, interests, and more. Use ad scheduling. You can use ad scheduling to make sure your ads only show during business hours when someone is available to answer the phone. Monitor and optimize your campaigns. Keep an eye on your campaign performance and make adjustments as needed. Use tools like call tracking to monitor the number of phone calls generated by your ads and adjust your targeting and messaging to improve performance.